G'day, Kent here. These nice new window panes are letting all the light in. It's beautiful, but it also lets in the prying eyes. At night time when the lights are on, you can see straight inside and it's like looking into a fishbowl. There's no privacy. So I was thinking of getting some window film or some privacy film, but I want to keep all this light that's coming in. So instead of a window tint, I've decided to get this frosted opaque window film. I've bought a roll of it. It cost about $35. The cool thing is, it's removable. So if it doesn't look any good, or the next person that lives in this house doesn't like it, they can just take it off, no big deal. So today's job is to give these windows a clean, get them spotless, and get some of that privacy window film on. This factory edge here will line up with the edge of the table. Bring this one right to the edge there, and then our measurements can come straight off the edge of the table. And then we'll use a straight edge against those measurements. Now, if I'm clever enough to cut on this line, we won't see it when we hang the tint up on the window. Got to really concentrate on getting these lines nice and straight rather than watching Bondi Rescue with the kids. So after wrestling for about 10 minutes, unsuccessfully trying to peel a backing off this window film, I've come to the conclusion that it doesn't have a backing until the handiwork of my 11-year-old daughter comes in with her thin little fingernails and manages to peel the backing off. So I've installed all the window film, still with the backing on it, and it started to peel off. 2 of them have fallen off overnight. So at least they're all cut to size and the windows are clean. All I need to do now is peel that backing off. I just don't know, I just can't manage to do it. But once we get this, once we get that backing off, I can reinstall it. Rubes, can you do this? It's definitely easier to install once you take that backing off. So we've still got light coming in and we've got privacy. So that's our 2 things that we wanted to maintain. We just don't have a view out the front. Let me show you what it looks like from the outside. Once you take the idiot out of the equation and you actually install the film with the backing taken off, it works really well. If opaque or frosted window film is something that you think might suit your needs, there's a link in the description below of products similar to this. I'll only recommend products that I've tried and that work well. If you've got any other window tinting projects at home, click on this playlist just here and I'll give you my best tips on how to install window tint properly. I'll see you there.